2 months ago, I went to change my father's car oil. 2012 Volkswagen Passat diesel, 190,000 kilometers. He's always changed oil religiously every 10,000 kilometers at the same official workshop. I opened the oil filler cap, looked inside with a flashlight, and what I saw left me frozen. Black sludge, carbon deposits stuck on walls, deposits like tar. The engine interior looked like the bottom of a frying pan after years of frying without cleaning. And that in an engine with perfect maintenance according to official workshop. I told my father, before changing oil, we're going to do something the workshop has never done for you. And you're going to see the difference. We did the procedure, drained the oil. What came out looked like deep frying oil, absolute black, thick as molasses, with pieces of crap floating. Then we put in new oil, started the engine. My father couldn't believe it. The engine sounded completely different, smoother, quieter, like it was new. 3 weeks later, he called me. The car has more power, consumes less, and starts better cold. What the hell did you do? Today I'm going to show you exactly what I did. The step-by-step procedure that workshops don't do because it takes extra time they don't charge you for. And because if your engine is clean inside, it lasts triple. And that means fewer repairs for them. And stick around until minute 9 because I'm going to reveal the most serious error that 90% of people make doing this. An error that can destroy your engine instead of saving it. Before starting, let me explain why this is so important. Every time you change oil normally, you drain the old, put in new, done, right? But there's a huge problem with that. The old oil you drain is only 80% of the engine's total oil. The other 20% remains trapped in. Oil pan nooks, lubrication galleries, turbo, cylinder head, hydraulic lifters, and that 20% is full of carbon deposits, sludge, metal particles, combustion residues, acids. When you put in new oil, it immediately mixes with that crap from the 20% that remained. Your new oil is instantly contaminated. It's like emptying 80% of dirty water from a glass, refilling it with clean water, and thinking you now have clean water. No. You have clean water mixed with the 20% dirty that remained. After 10, 15, 20 oil changes without ever cleaning the engine interior, the accumulation is brutal. Madrid taxi driver with Toyota Avensis diesel, 450,000 kilometers, showed me his secret. Every 50,000 kilometers I do complete flush before change. That's why my engine looks new inside. We opened his engine to see it. 450,000 kilometers. The interior was shining, clean as an engine with 20,000. Now yes, let's go with the complete procedure. Step 1. Identify if your engine needs flush. Not all engines need this. Let's verify first. With cold engine, open oil filler cap, the one you use to refill oil. Take out phone flashlight, look inside. What do you see? If you see clean metal or slightly golden, your engine is fine. Don't need urgent flush. If you see light black layer, it's normal accumulation. Flush every 100,000 kilometers is enough. If you see thick black sludge, tar-like deposits, or completely black walls, you need flush now. Also, pull out dipstick. Look at oil. If it's black as coal even though you changed it only 5,000 kilometers ago, it's sign of very dirty engine inside. Step 2. Choose the correct product. Here it's critical not to make a mistake. 3 types of flush exist. Type 1. Aggressive flush. Products like 5-minute engine flush. Brands like Win's Liqui Moly engine flush. These are very powerful. Type 2. Gentle flush. Diesel oil or ATF used as cleaner. Less aggressive, safer. Type 3. Professional flush. Machines that flush with hot, pressurized oil, only in specialized workshops. My recommendation by mileage. Less than 100,000 kilometers. Don't need flush. Normal oil cleans enough. Between 100,000 and 200,000 kilometers, gentle flush with diesel oil. Once every 50,000 kilometers, more than 200,000 kilometers, moderate flush with Liqui Moly engine flush. Once every 30,000 kilometers. Very dirty engines, over 300,000 without flush ever. Aggressive professional flush at workshop. Or series of 3 gentle flushes spaced out. For this guide, I'll explain gentle flush with diesel oil. It's safest and you can do it yourself. Step 3. Gather everything necessary you need. 1 liter diesel engine oil. Yes, oil for diesel engine, not diesel fuel. Brands like Shell, Castrol, Total. 10 euros. New oil filter. Don't reuse old one. Crucial. New engine oil according to your car's specification. Complete quantity for change. Container to Collect old oil, minimum 6-liter capacity. Oil filter wrench, funnel, rags, gloves, 2 hours of time without rush. Step 4. Prepare the engine, start engine, let it warm to normal operating temperature. 5 to 10 minutes. Why? Hot oil flows better. Deposits soften with heat. Flush is much more effective hot. Turn off engine, wait 2 minutes. We let oil drop to pan, but engine stays hot. Step 5. Drain old oil, place container under oil pan, drain plug. Open plug carefully. Oil is hot, use gloves. Let drain completely. This can take 10 to 15 minutes. Don't rush. We want every last drop out. While draining, loosen oil filter, but don't remove it yet. Leave it loose to drain. When it stops dripping, put pan plug back. Tighten with correct torque. Don't strip threads. Now yes, remove old filter. Oil will come out. Have rag ready. Step 6. The flush itself. Put old filter back. Yes, the old one. Don't waste new one yet. Fill engine with diesel engine oil. Quantity, half of. Normal capacity. If your engine takes 5 liters, put 2.5 liters of diesel oil. Why diesel oil? Has more powerful detergents than gasoline oil. It's designed to clean diesel combustion soot. Perfect for cleaning deposits. Important. Use diesel engine oil, not diesel fuel from pump. Many people confuse this. Start engine. Leave it idle. Don't accelerate. Don't rev it. Time. Exactly 5 minutes. No more. Set timer. During these 5 minutes, diesel oil is circulating through entire engine, dissolving sludge, dragging carbon. Cleaning galleries. Washing turbo inside. You'll hear engine sounds different. More liquid. Normal. It's the more fluid diesel oil circulating. When 5 minutes finish, turn off immediately. Step 7. Drain the flush. Wait 2 minutes. Let diesel oil drop to pan. Open drain plug again. Drain all diesel oil. Here's where you'll see the magic. The oil coming out now is absolute black. Looks like crude oil, thick, disgusting. That's all the crap that was inside your engine. Now it's coming out. Let drain to last drop. Can take 15 minutes. Patience. Cap pan again. Step 8. Second flush optional, but recommended. If the diesel oil that came out was very black, I recommend second flush. Repeat process. 2.5 liters diesel oil, 5 minutes at idle, drain. Second flush will come out cleaner than first, but still dirty. If you do second flush, third already comes out almost clean. There you know engine is really clean inside. For regular maintenance, 1 flush is enough. For very dirty engines, 2 or 3 consecutive flushes. Step 9. Normal oil change. Now, yes, we put new filter. We used old one only for flushes and throw it away. Fill engine with new quality oil according to manufacturer specification, full quantity. If your engine takes 5 liters, put 5 liters. Start. Let run 2 minutes. Turn off. Wait 5 minutes for oil to drop. Check level with dipstick. Adjust if necessary. Step 10. First early change. Here's the final secret nobody tells you. After a flush, even though you drained everything, microscopic residue of crap still remains suspended in new oil. Therefore, change oil again at 1,500 kilometers. Yes, earlier than normal. It's a sacrifice change. This second oil drags last residues. After this change, engine is completely clean. From there, normal changes every 10,000 or what your manual says. And we reach the fatal error I mentioned at beginning. Error that destroys engines. Using aggressive flush on very dirty, high-mileage engine. Many people think, my engine has 300,000 kilometers and I never did flush. I'll use the most powerful product on market. Fatal mistake. In very dirty engine with 20-year deposits, too aggressive flush can. Detach large chunks of deposits that block oil galleries. Engine left without lubrication in zones. Seized. Clean so much it pushes all crap to filter at once. Filter completely clogs. Oil. Doesn't circulate. Engine blown. Dissolve deposits that were sealing wear. Removing them, engine starts consuming oil or losing compression. If your engine has more than 250,000 kilometers and you never did flush, don't use aggressive flush. Safe options. Series of 3 gentle flushes with diesel oil spaced every 5,000 kilometers. Professional flush at workshop with specialized machine that controls pressure and temperature. Simply accept engine is dirty and maintain frequent oil changes every 7,500 kilometers. Real case, client bought used BMW diesel with 280,000 kilometers. Engine consumed half-liter oil every 3,000 kilometers. He thought, I'll do aggressive flush to clean rings. Used strong 5-minute product. Flush detached so much crap it blocked oil pickup screen in pan. Oil pump couldn't suck oil. Engine seized 100 kilometers after flush. Repair, 6,800 euros. Complete engine. That's why always, in high-mileage engines without flush history, go gentle. Patience. Several light flushes are better than one aggressive. Expected results after correct flush. Quieter engine. Deposits muffle noises. Clean, you hear mechanical components clearer. This is normal and good. Better cold start. Oil circulates faster without sludge. Slightly better fuel consumption. More efficient engine without deposit friction. Less oil consumption if it was due to dirty rings. Sometimes rings were stuck with carbon. Cleaning them, they seal better. More stable oil pressure. Clean galleries allow correct flow. Engine lasts much longer. Eliminating abrasive deposits, you dramatically reduce internal wear. Recommended flush frequency. Normal car urban use. Every 50,000 kilometers. Car many highway kilometers, every 80,000 kilometers. Taxi, delivery, high mileage, every 30,000 kilometers. Little used car, grandpa doing 3,000 per year, every 2 years, regardless of kilometers. Oil degrades with time, even if you don't drive. Total procedure cost, diesel oil for flush, 10 euros, new filter, 15 euros, new quality oil, 30 euros for 5 liters. Total, 55 euros. Cost at workshop if they offer it, 120 to 200 euros. Savings doing it yourself, 65 to 145 euros. But real savings is engine lasting 100,000 kilometers more. That's thousands of euros. Taxi driver I mentioned at beginning, 450,000 kilometers with flush every 50,000. Perfect engine, compression like new, zero oil consumption. Another taxi driver I know, 420,000 kilometers without flush ever. Engine with leaks, consumes liter of oil every 4,000, blue smoke. Next destination, scrapyard. The difference? 50 euros every 50,000 kilometers in preventive flush. My final personal advice? If your car has less than 100,000 kilometers and you've maintained regular oil changes, don't need urgent flush. But start doing it every 50,000 from now. If it has between 100,000 and 200,000, do gentle flush now. Then maintenance every 50,000. If it has more than 200,000 and you never did flush, go to workshop for professional flush. Or do series of 3 gentle flushes yourself spaced out. Don't fear flush. Fear comes from people who did it wrong on very neglected engines. Done correctly, it only brings benefits. Your engine is your car's heart. Keeping it clean inside is like keeping arteries clean in your body. Worth every euro invested. And leave me in comments. Have you ever done flush? Did you notice difference? Or are you afraid to do it? Hit like if you're going to try this before your next oil change. Share with someone whose car urgently needs this. And subscribe because next video will be I opened an engine with 400,000 kilometers with flush versus one without flush. The difference is brutal. Your engine can last 1 million kilometers. You just have to clean it inside. See you.